How was school today? Did you enjoy it?
Yes, Dad. School was good, thank you.
How are your friends? Are they supportive?
My friends are great, very supportive indeed.
How are your teachers treating you in class?
They are helpful and always encouraging us, Dad.
What subjects are you enjoying the most?
I love mathematics and science the most, Dad.
Have you thought about your future plans?
Yes, I want to become an engineer, Dad.
That's wonderful. Any particular college in mind?
I am aiming for IIT Mumbai, Dad.
How are your studies progressing? Any difficulties?
Some topics in physics are challenging, Dad.
How can I help you with those topics?
Can we review the concepts together, Dad?
Of course. When do you want to start?
Maybe this weekend? I have some free time.
That's a good plan. How are your grandparents?
They are fine. I visited them last weekend.
Do you help them with anything when you visit?
Yes, I help with chores and shopping, Dad.
That's nice of you. Any upcoming school picnics?
Yes, next month we are visiting a science museum.
Sounds exciting. Are you looking forward to it?
Very much, Dad. I love museums and learning.
What are your current interests and hobbies?
I enjoy painting and reading novels, Dad.
That's wonderful. Have you painted anything recently?
Yes, I painted a sunset last week, Dad.
I'd love to see it. Any good books lately?
I'm reading To Kill a Mockingbird right now.
Great choice. Any thoughts on the book so far?
It's very thought-provoking and well-written, Dad.
Remember, always think about your decisions carefully.
I will, Dad. Thank you for the advice.
Choose your friends wisely. Are yours trustworthy?
Yes, they are kind and honest, Dad.
Dream big and work hard to achieve them.
I will, Dad. I have many dreams to pursue.
Always be polite and respectful to everyone.
I understand, Dad. It's important to be kind.
Any specific problems you are facing right now?
I'm struggling with time management, Dad.
Let's make a schedule together to help you.
That would be great. Thank you for your help.
Any issues with your friends or classmates?
Sometimes there are misunderstandings, Dad.
Communication is key. Have you tried talking it out?
Yes, it usually helps resolve the issues.
Good to hear. Any concerns about your future?
I'm worried about college applications, Dad.
We'll prepare thoroughly and apply to several colleges.
Thank you, Dad. That reassures me a lot.
Remember, always keep a positive mindset.
I'll try my best, Dad. Positive thoughts help.
How often do you visit your grandparents?
Usually once a month, Dad. I enjoy spending time.
That's good. Family time is very important.
I agree, Dad. It makes me feel connected.
Any school events coming up that you are excited about?
Yes, the annual cultural festival is next month.
Are you participating in any events or performances?
I'm in the dance performance, Dad.
That's wonderful. Have you started practicing?
Yes, practice sessions are in full swing, Dad.
How do you feel about performing on stage?
I'm a bit nervous but also excited, Dad.
You'll do great. Just believe in yourself.
Thank you, Dad. Your support means a lot.
Any thoughts on what you want to do this weekend?
Maybe we can go for a family picnic, Dad?
That sounds like a great idea. Let's plan it.
Awesome. I'll help with the preparations.
Always remember to balance work and relaxation.
I'll keep that in mind, Dad. Balance is key.
How's your health? Are you taking care of yourself?
Yes, Dad. I'm eating well and exercising.
Good. Health is the most important thing.
I know, Dad. I'll stay mindful of it.
How do you feel about your current study routine?
It's effective but sometimes overwhelming, Dad.
Let's adjust it to make it less stressful.
That would be helpful. Thank you, Dad.
Any recent achievements you are proud of?
I won a math competition last week, Dad.
Congratulations. I'm very proud of you.
Thank you, Dad. Your encouragement helped me.
Always strive to learn and grow every day.
I'll remember that, Dad. Continuous growth is important.
How do you handle stress and pressure?
I try to relax and take deep breaths, Dad.
Good strategy. Also, talking helps. Always share with me.
I will, Dad. Talking to you really helps.
How are your friendships evolving over time?
They're getting stronger, Dad. We support each other.
That's great. Strong friendships are very valuable.
I agree, Dad. They make life better.
How's your relationship with your teachers?
It's good. They respect and guide us well.
Excellent. Respecting teachers is very important.
I understand, Dad. They deserve our respect.
Any interesting projects or assignments at school?
We're working on a group science project, Dad.
That sounds exciting. Are you enjoying it?
Yes, it's fun and educational, Dad.
How do you manage group work dynamics?
We communicate and divide tasks equally, Dad.
That's a good approach. Teamwork is essential.
I agree, Dad. It makes projects more effective.
How do you feel about your overall progress?
I'm satisfied but know I can do better, Dad.
Always strive for improvement, but be proud too.
I will, Dad. Thank you for your wisdom.
Any personal goals you are currently working on?
I'm trying to improve my time management, Dad.
That's a great goal. Time management is crucial.
Yes, Dad. It will help me in many ways.
How do you feel about social media?
It's useful but can be distracting, Dad.
Use it wisely and don't let it overwhelm you.
I'll be mindful of that, Dad. Thank you.
How do you plan to spend your summer vacation?
Maybe take up an internship or a short course.
That's a productive plan. It will add value.
Yes, Dad. I want to make the most of it.
How do you ensure you stay motivated?
I set small goals and reward myself, Dad.
Great strategy. Keep it up and stay focused.
I will, Dad. Thank you for the guidance.
Any last thoughts or concerns you want to share?
Just thank you for always being there, Dad.
Always, my dear. I believe in you.
Thanks, Dad. Your support means the world to me.
You are welcome. Remember, I'm always here for you.
I know, Dad. It makes me feel secure.
That's good. Take care and keep doing your best.
I will, Dad. Thank you for everything.
Bye, see you again soon.
Bye, Dad. See you again.